everybody, today I want to show you the designs I created using clear acrylic, and I mashed it up with these sick LED lights, like the light bulb right next to me. So this is the light bulb design that I chose. I think it'll be perfect for your home or even your office space. So check out this cool idea, QR code menus, which is perfect for restaurants. No more dirty, sticky menus. Just scan it with your phone and order what you want. So let me show you guys the cuts and engraving settings I used for the clear acrylic. Alright everybody, this is one of the designs for the LED lights. On the right hand side, this is my engraving settings. My speed is on 1000 and my power is on 23. My air assist is off. Let's close this up. My cut settings, speed is on 10 and my power is on 80 with air assist on. So let's go check this machine in action. So that's it guys, that's how simple it is to make something creative and elegant out of clear acrylic. So, lights off please!